My dear beautiful ladies, if you've clicked on this video, chances are you're curious about how Sea Buckthorn Oil can transform your skin, and let me tell you, you're not alone. In today's breakdown, I'm going to give you the facts, backed by science, about why Sea Buckthorn Oil works, how it works, and how you can make the most out of this age-old powerhouse. First off, Sea Buckthorn Oil is not just some passing skincare trend. This oil has been around for centuries, trusted by ancient civilizations for its incredible healing properties. In fact, the Greeks used it to keep their horses' coats shiny and healthy, so much so that they named it Hippophae, which literally means shiny horse. Fast forward to Chinese and Tibetan medicine, and you'll find sea buckthorn revered for its ability to heal wounds and improve digestion. Oh, and did I mention Russian cosmonauts used it in space to protect their skin from radiation? That's some serious credibility. Now let's get down to the real question. Why does sea buckthorn oil matter for your skin today? To break it down, there are two key types of sea buckthorn oil: Hippophae rhamnoids, and Hippophae sinensis. And here's the deal. Each one has its own unique strengths when it comes to skincare. Sinensis is packed with palmitic acid, a fatty acid that helps lock moisture into your skin. If your skin tends to get dry or tight, sinensis is your new best friend. The palmitic acid acts as a protective barrier, keeping hydration in and environmental stressors like cold air or dry climates out. It's perfect for dry skin that needs that extra layer of protection. Then you've got rhamnoids, which is rich in stearic acid. This fatty acid doesn't just help keep moisture in, it's also packed with antioxidants that fight pollution and environmental damage. Plus, stearic acid helps strengthen your skin's lipid barrier, keeping it firm and shielded from harmful elements. If you're dealing with the signs of aging or want extra protection from the elements, rhamnoids is the way to go. Now, I'm not just here to talk about how great sea buckthorn oil is. I'm about to give you the 9 key skin benefits that make this oil worth every drop: moisturizing, anti-aging, and everything in between. Sea buckthorn oil is a powerful skincare solution that you may want to include in your skincare routine. Let's break it down and get into the details. 1. Moisturizing. Sea buckthorn oil helps seal moisture into your skin, leaving it soft and smooth. It creates a protective barrier, preventing moisture loss throughout the day. This is especially important if you have dehydrated skin, as it keeps your skin from feeling tight or flaky. How it works? Sea buckthorn oil contains a unique combination of fatty acids, including omega-7, palmitoleic acid, which is rare in most plant oils. Omega-7 plays a key role in supporting the skin's natural moisture levels, boosting hydration and helping repair the skin barrier. When applied, sea buckthorn oil mimics the skin's natural oils, locking in moisture and preventing water loss. 2. Anti-inflammatory. This oil is packed with gamma-linolenic acid GLA, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory. That means if you're dealing with skin conditions like eczema or dermatitis, sea buckthorn oil can help calm things down. It soothes irritation, reduces redness, and promotes healing. How it works? GLA is a type of omega-6 fatty acid that has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce the production of pro-inflammatory chemicals in the skin, like prostaglandins. By reducing inflammation, sea buckthorn oil calms redness and irritation while promoting healthier skin. This is why it's particularly helpful for conditions like eczema, acne, and rosacea. 3. Wound healing. Sea buckthorn oil doesn't just sit there. It actually speeds up wound healing by promoting lipid production in your skin. These lipids help repair and strengthen the skin's barrier, making it faster for cuts or abrasions to heal. How accelerated lipid production in the skin can speed up wound healing? Increasing the production of lipids in the skin can significantly speed up the healing process of wounds. Lipids, which are fats, play a vital role in protecting the skin by maintaining its barrier and keeping it moisturized. When the skin is injured, this barrier is compromised, making it more vulnerable to infections and dehydration. By producing lipids more rapidly, the skin can quickly restore its protective barrier. This helps to keep out harmful germs and retain moisture. Additionally, lipids have anti-inflammatory properties which can reduce swelling and irritation at the wound site. This helps create a more stable and conducive environment for healing. Lipids also support the growth and movement of new skin cells, a process known as re-epithelialization, which is essential for closing the wound and restoring the skin's structure. Overall, accelerated lipid production enhances the skin's ability to rebuild its protective barrier quickly, ward off infections, and retain moisture, leading to faster and more effective wound healing. 4. Strengthens the skin barrier. Your skin's barrier is what keeps it safe from harmful bacteria, pollutants, and moisture loss. Sea Buckthorn Oil helps boost the production of lipids, which are crucial for maintaining this barrier. This makes your skin stronger, more resilient, and better at holding on to hydration. How it works. The oil's combination of omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 fatty acids helps to increase the production of essential lipids in the skin. Lipids are responsible for creating a strong, protective barrier that keeps the skin's moisture in and harmful substances out. By encouraging the skin's lipid production, Sea Buckthorn Oil strengthens the skin's barrier and helps it perform better overall. My dear, beautiful ladies, these are just 4 of the amazing benefits of Sea Buckthorn Oil, but there's so much more to discover. In Part 2, we'll cover 5 more game-changing benefits, including its anti-aging and acne-fighting properties. Don't miss it!